Hello friends, thank you very much for joining me today. I'm going to be doing our first ever unboxing video of our brand new Flower Crown Club design. Yes! I'm super duper excited for this. Flower Crown Club was launched in May, for those of you that don't know, and it is a quarterly limited edition flower crown designed by yours truly. That, like I said, is going to be limited edition, released every quarter. It's going to be inspired by the seasons, and yeah, I just really wanted to do something that you guys could wear all through spring, summer, autumn, etc. And that would be super high quality, that you guys know and love us for, and that not everybody else would have. So we're going to delve right in to the summer edition, and it's our first one that is shipping this week. So if you don't want any spoilers, then you need to look away now, okay? You need to look away now. Good. Have you looked away? Okay, fine. I'm going to open it up. So yeah, they'll come shipped in these cute little white boxes, which kind of remind me of like pizza boxes. Our lovely foil Flower Crown Club logo. Your address will obviously be here instead, but I don't really want to give out anyone's address. But yes, this is how it will look. Lovely, lovely. Wrapped in tissue to keep it nice and safe. Why is this so much harder on camera? I don't even know. Ta-da! I feel like I should have some sound effects here, but I don't. It's just me and my iPhone. So here we are. This is the summer edition of Flower Crown Club, summer 2018. I hope you like it. I am so obsessed with these colours, you guys. I cannot even. Almost lost for words. I shall look to my script. So here we have, yes, the first design, summer edition, and it comprises of wildflowers here and here in the pinks and the blues, some aster, just reading my notes there, in these gorgeous oranges, which I love, with the pink and the yellow. Orange, pink and yellow are like my favourite colour combo. And then we've got these dark pink snowballs, which are really nice and add like this lovely texture, just to make it super interesting. We've also got some heather, fake heather / lavender, little moment going on there. And these mimosas, not only an excellent drink, these yellow and lime green mimosas are little details here. I love the little stamens in here. It's a really nice, realistic effect. And obviously can't go without mentioning the ranunculus, which are kind of like the little sister to the peony, the way their petals form. But they're great for using on something like a crown because they aren't too big, whereas traditionally peonies are pretty big. And so yeah, I would say this is like a medium-sized crown. So most people will be able to wear it, as long as you like flower crowns, that is. So yeah, it's finished as usual with our green satin leaves at the back, if you can see that there, to keep everything nice and secure. Our Crown and Glory logo, of course, and this really lovely bright orange thick ribbon. It's thicker than our usual ribbons, just to add the extra like pop of colour. And yeah, I hope you like it. I'm really, really pleased with it. I wanted to do something that was a bit more unique and unusual than our standard range, that sort of comprised of loads of different colours, so you could wear it loads of different opportunities. For example, like I really loved these blue, if you wore this with like white and denim, that would look so cute. And then you could also wear it with like Mexican inspired embroidery, nice sort of wedding guest dress this would also go with. So yeah, I just wanted to design something that you'd be able to wear all through the summer, really, and hope you agree. So yeah, just to recap, Flower Crown Club is going to be available every quarter. The next design will be launched in September. From September it will be a subscription. I say that because then I have to make it happen. It'll be £37. And yeah, the new design will be live on September 1st. These are shipping out this week. We do still have a few available. We're almost sold out, but we do still have a couple left, and they will be available until they're gone or until the next design comes in September 1st. So if you want to grab one, I'll pop the link below, whatever you do on these things, and yeah, hope you like it.